In this video, we will show you how to install Windows 10 22H2. Windows 10 22H2 version is the latest version of Windows 10. After you boot from bootable devices like USB bootable, you can click Next and click Install Now. Let's see how the interface looks like for Windows 10 22H2. In here, you can select I don't have a product key, and you can choose from the Home, Pro, or another. I choose Pro because usually Pro Edition have the many advantage. We can click Next, and we can accept the license terms and click Next. And I will directly click Next, but you can create new partition here. In here, I'm just using all this partition. There are getting files ready for installation, installing features, updates, and finishing apps. We can wait this until all the step is done. It's almost done. It's 98%. After that, the installing features will be processed and the next installing updates. You can take a cup of coffee or tea in here. Maybe the time need is 2 until 5 minutes. It's depend on your hardware specification also, because is faster your devices will be faster the processes. Installing update and finishing apps. In the finishing up steps, we can click the restart now. So we don't need to wait. Okay, this is we can click the restart now if finishing up is processed. This is in here. We can select our region. I'm choose United States and click yes. And the keyboard layout, I'm using US keyboard layout and skip for another. And click I don't have internet, and this is I want to test. Oh yes, the Windows 10 22H2 can set up without internet connection. Okay, I'm happy with this. We can continue with limited setup. Okay, I'm type like this channel and click next and create a super memorable password. I just click next. I want to blank password. Okay, this is just for the tips. You can disable all of this. Location, find my device, inking and typing, advertising, and the Tyler experience. The diagnosis data also you can disable, but in here I just enable because I need to using Windows Insider for this Windows 10. Then click accept and click not now. This is the last process. We can wait until our Windows 10 appear on the desktop mode. Okay, this might take several minutes, so we need to be wait. And this is the looks like Windows 10 22H2. I click maybe later here. Wow, this is for the file explorer. Okay, and because the Windows 10 especially 22H2 have many updates, I will show in this channel what the new features like AI and another features. So don't forget you can subscribe this channel, it's free. Okay, thanks for watching, and if have any question you can fill up in the comment form. Hope this is helpful for you.